opposition which are calling this to a reaction to contain the damage on the issue of Ambedkar. They say that the BJP and its allies are feeling the pressure as the opposition raises the pitch on the issue.
One is that the issue of Dr. Ambedkar is costing them a lot. In fact, they don't know what to do. In fact, today's discussion on Constitution had sent a message across the country that they are against the Constitution, they are against the welfare measures taken for SC/ST in the past, and they are against the Dr. Ambedkar.
Amit Shah insulted Babasaheb Ambedkar, and not only Babasaheb Ambedkar, he insulted our constitution, the spirit of constitution. Trinamool Congress was on the roads, and other states also, other parties of India, they protested like anything. So BJP is under tremendous pressure. So they have to take some stand and clarify their stand.
There is a commotion throughout the country, particularly the way the great patriot, the Bharat Ratna, the Constitution, the one who has written the Constitution of India, Mr. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, who was insulted by the statement of Honorable HM. And that has created a havoc in the country right now. A strong serious commotion is there, and everyone feels when we said that they do not believe in Constitution of India, they want to amend the Constitution of India. They said we have created a fake narrative. But the fact is coming in to the notice of the people who are the India.
Well, let's get in a word from Pragya, who's joining us live right now. Good morning, Pragya. As far as the opposition is concerned, they have been taking it on in a big way as far as the offensive on Ambedkar issue. What is the strategy that will be taken upon by the NDA leaders with this meeting crucial today that will be taking place at the residence of JP Nadda?
Well, it is also customary that JP Nadda invites all those NDA leaders to his residence on Sushashan Divas, which is, and the BJP is also celebrating 100th birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a very tall leader of the BJP. But having said that, there are many issues that are bothering, and in fact, the NDA right now and opposition is trying to corner the government on particular issues like Ambedkar, the statements made, and also they are trying to rake up many issues like One Nation, One Election and Waqf also. It is also an opportunity for Mr. Nadda to have to host all of these NDA leaders, to have this strategic meeting and to discuss what is going to be the line that all of them will be taking. And in fact, if there are some reservations about the Waqf bill vis-a-vis JDU or some other parties, that will be sorted out, and there will be a midway, and they will their consideration of the amendments that they are likely to be moving can be also discussed at length. So all of that, and also it is an opportunity for Mr. Nadda to convince the coalition partners about the sanctity of these bills and about the larger goal and perspective why these bills are very important. Remember, these meetings have already been held, but there is a larger narrative going on against the BJP and against the NDA vis-a-vis Dalits. This is going to be also discussed in the meeting, is what we are given to understand. And also upcoming elections like Bihar elections, these are also going to be touched upon in that strategic meeting. So it is a very crucial meeting as far as the coordination between NDA allies is concerned.
So what happens as far as the NDA leaders are concerned who are expected to be a part of the meeting, including when it comes to the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, who all are expected to be in Delhi today?
You're absolutely right, and they will be here at Sadaiv Atal, which is a samadhi of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. They all will be congregating here. Prime Minister will be arriving very soon. We are here at Vijay Ghat, and soon after finishing off the function from here, they all will be going to their places. And around noon, there is a meeting and gathering at Mr. JP Nadda's place. They will all be congregating there, and the larger issues of coordination, of strategic meeting, of policies, of what they need. It is also an opportunity not just for BJP but also for its allies to voice their opinions, voice their demands, and voice their own thinking on various policies. And if they demand anything from the central government, this is an opportunity where they can touch upon these issues and discuss, and it's a very amicable environment that they will be meeting in, but very crucial as far as upcoming elections are concerned in various states, and also to ensure that there is a better coordination with these allies for a stable and very strong government that BJP wants NDA to be.
So today also being the birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister and Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee, as we are expecting the NDA leaders and of course Prime Minister Narendra Modi to reach the Samadhi shortly.